When it comes to softer skills, you need to think about ability to think critically. Developing a project is something new. You need to, you're gonna work in something that had never been done before. So you need to think critically. I am doing the right thing. I'm doing the best thing. I'm doing with a good performance. Can I do differently? So you need always be asking these kind of questions in order to improve your performance, your project performance, and your team's performance. Another very important point is to develop ability to problem solving. Rogério, why I need to have a skill to problem solving? Because you're gonna solve a problem. A project is created to solve a problem, to answer to a requirement from your customer. You need to think about how to solve a problem. And other than the project, you're gonna work with your team, and you need to know how to solve problems with your team. So it's very important that you have ability to manage a moment when you're gonna be facing a problem. Another very important skill is to have creativity. Creativity is for you and for your team. You need to always think critically and be creative in your actions. You need always to say, can I do different to improve my performance? Can I do better to get more value in my activity? So it's important that you always think differently and use your creativity to improve your project. Another very important skill is have a strong communication and interpersonal skill. I think that I don't need to explain much why do you need to be a good communicator and have good interpersonal skills. Project management means work in a team, work with people, work with customer, work with users, work with providers. You'll be always interacting with people. You need to have a strong communication. You need to know how to say things. You need to learn how to listen people. How a good communication is start listening. You need to be a good listener, and you need to be a good communicator to be a good project manager. And finally, you need to develop ability to work as a team. You will never be successful in project management if you don't have your team working with you together. This is the principle of a good project manager, is to not only be able to work as a team, but make the others, the team, also to work together. You need to motivate people. You need to help them to be, in a community, in a team. So these are the skills that you must develop if you want to be a successful professional in project management.